Welcome to the Newsbridge United States, your trusted source for real-time news. I'm Nick Brown, here to bring you the latest updates from across the nation. A ferocious wildfire in Pacific Palisades, Los Angeles, has prompted the evacuation of thousands as powerful winds fan the flames. Covering over 770 acres, the blaze has threatened homes, forced school closures, and shut down parts of the Pacific Coast Highway. Gusts reaching up to 100 miles per hour, the strongest in over a decade, are expected to intensify through Wednesday. Southern California Edison has already cut power to 8,000 homes, with more outages anticipated. Authorities are on high alert for vulnerable communities, including San Fernando and San Gabriel valleys. Celebrities like James Woods were among those evacuating, commending firefighters' efforts to safeguard residents. Stay connected with the Newsbridge United States for real-time updates. We'll keep you informed as events unfold.